Managing fixed assets is more than just recording values. It's about accuracy, control, and compliance. In Hinawi ERP, the Fixed Assets module gives you powerful tools to track every detail, starting from the moment an asset is purchased. When adding a new asset, you can easily define whether it is new or used. This classification helps in reporting and sets the foundation for depreciation and lifecycle tracking. 3 important dates ensure accuracy: purchase date, service date, and opening balance date. Hinawi ERP allows you to enter complete purchase details. Enter purchase order number, vendor's name, maintenance company, and bill information. The system captures the asset's life cycle, life in years and months, depreciation percentage, and life expiry date. Warranty information can also be tracked. Enter warranty duration in years and months, and set warranty expiry date. For assets like vehicles and machinery, record manufacturer details, serial numbers, model numbers, and more. A clear note in the system reminds you, depreciation starts from the service date. You can clear all entries instantly with the Clear Purchase Info option. Hinawi ERP's Fixed Assets module helps you manage every stage of your asset lifecycle, from purchase to depreciation, with confidence, precision, and efficiency.